the Teaching Kitchen. My name is Ivy.
And I'm Alex Zeppos.
And today we are making a homemade quinoa, oats, sunflower seed granola, which incorporates ancient grains, which is what we're talking about today. So Alex, go ahead, take it away.
All right. Well, we'll start with our ingredients. We have our tricolored quinoa, our rolled oats, sunflower seeds, raisins, dried cranberries, agave syrup, canola oil, and then the spices, ground ginger, cinnamon, and salt.
Awesome. So today we're focusing on ancient grains. So ancient grains are grains that have been around for centuries and they haven't been changed. So think about your quinoa, farro also falls in that category, as well as millet. So these are grains that have stayed consistent throughout the years and are also grown without a lot of pesticides in them. So Alex, can you show us how to make the granola and how simple it is to do at home?
Sure. We'll start with the first steps here. We'll combine our dry ingredients, the sunflower seeds, the quinoa, the rolled oats. And this is a very simple recipe, real easy granola recipe. We're going to incorporate all of our wet ingredients and spices. First, our cinnamon, our ginger, lightly on the salt here, just about a heavy pinch. The oil.
Can we use any type of oil, or is there a specific reason we're using canola oil?
Yeah, you could use another flavored oil, something light, nothing too heavy.
So not
olive
like
oil
olive
would be
oil.
too much.
Okay,
Yeah, a little bit on the bitter side.
And then we're also adding agave nectar, which is, so by making your own granola at home, you have the ability to control the amount of sugar. So if you like it a little bit less sweet, you can always decrease that. And then your dried fruits also add lots of flavor in them and also a little bit of sweetness, so you don't need as much sugar.
So we'll incorporate everything here, mix well, get everything nice and coated.
So as you probably know, there's three types of quinoa that you find in the grocery store. There's a white quinoa, a red quinoa, and a black quinoa. Today we're using a tricolor quinoa that you can also find in a lot of stores. And flavor-wise, they're very, very similar in taste. White quinoa tends to cook a little bit faster than a red or a black quinoa. Black quinoa has a slightly nuttier taste, which I thought was pretty interesting because I didn't know that before. So different varieties have different, same flavor, but add lots of color to your plate.
Okay, so after everything is incorporated nice, we're going to grab our sheet tray and we're going to lay it out nice and even.
About how long does it take to bake?
Takes about 10 to 12 minutes.
Okay. So we have to watch it really close because you don't want the oats to burn, so keep an eye on it. This is something fun that you can do with kids at home, so give them the wet ingredients to mix together, have their hands in there, mix it up together and lay it on the sheet tray, and then have them watch it for you because they'll do a good job at that at home.
All right, so we're going to place this in a 350-degree oven.
Okay.
And we're going to watch it carefully. You know, certain ovens tend to cook faster or slower, so we'll watch until it's nice and golden brown.
Okay.
And then our finished product, when we're done, will be this gorgeous golden brown color.
Can I smell it?
Absolutely.
It smells really good.
Should have a nice texture to it. It'll come out a little soft out of the oven. Give it a few minutes.
Okay.
It will be nice and crunchy.
All right.
And then from this stage, we're going to add our dried cranberries.
So this is where, if you like dried figs, you can play around with different dried fruit. You can also add some different nuts, so almonds or walnuts would also be really good. Absolutely. And they also have different nutritional profiles, so you're getting a lot more omega-3s, plant-based omega-3s from your walnuts and almonds. So.
Also our dried raisins. And like you said, it can be any dried fruits, apricots, gold raisins, currants.
What's your favorite?
Me, I love apricots, figs, cherries.
My current favorite one right now is dried figs. They're so good. And nice and sweet, too.
All right. And this is our finished product here.
Yay.
And then if you want, obviously this can be served as a snack just the way it is. My favorite, on top of a little bit of yogurt.
Nice.
Drizzle it with some Greek yogurt.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Awesome.
Nice little snack, healthy snack.
Thank you. Yay. Can I give it a try?
Absolutely.
Yes, I'm the test. I'm the quiz. See if it passed the test. Oh, yeah.
I can hear the crunch.
Very good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for tuning into the Teaching Kitchen. We hope you have a great day.